According to greenwaste.com, the average person generates 4.5 pounds of trash every day, which is about 1.5 tons of solid waste per year. And even though the EPA estimates that 75% of solid waste is recyclable, only about 30% is actually recycled. Until recently, I never saw the importance of recycling. I thought that it was a waste of time, and I thought that my small contribution couldn't make a difference. But I was wrong. Any contribution, no matter how small, can make a difference. Today I want to share with you the importance of recycling. Some may see it as a chore or confusing because they are unsure of how to recycle properly. Hopefully by the end of my speech you will be more informed about recycling, and if you don't recycle already, maybe I can inspire you to do so. Many of you probably recycle already and just don't know it. Anytime you take something old and find a new use for it, that's recycling. For example, taking old jars and using them as a glass to drink out of. But recycling on a larger scale is when used goods are collected and converted back into raw materials and made into new products. After a product has been recycled, it's usually not going to be exactly the same as before. Ed Grabianowski from HowStuffWorks.com describes two types of recycling. When a recycled good is cheaper or weaker than the original product, it's known as downcycling. In some cases, goods can be upcycled or made into something more valuable than the original product. There are several recycling programs you can use to recycle. Curbside pickup uses special trucks to come to neighborhoods to pick up the recycled materials. Drop-off centers are central locations set up to accept recyclable materials. These places also collect hazardous materials. Buyback centers, which are similar to drop-off centers, pay homeowners for their items based on market value. Deposit/refund programs are when a deposit is added to the sale price of a bottle or can so that it can be returned to a collection center and the deposit can be redeemed. Now that you know what recycling is and how it works, I'm going to explain why it is important. EcoCycle.org helps lay out 5 reasons why recycling is beneficial. Landfills are not a solution. They are the largest source of human-caused methane. The EPA admitted that landfill liners will eventually leak, which could contaminate soil and groundwater. 2. Recycling saves energy. When Americans recycle 30% of their waste, 11.9 billion gallons of gasoline are saved and greenhouse gases are reduced. 3. Recycling prevents pollution. Environmental damage from mining, drilling, and harvesting is avoided when recycled materials are used during manufacturing. 4. Recycling creates jobs. The recycling industry employs more people than the auto industry, and it creates 10 times more jobs than at landfills. 5. Recycling saves money. The net cost of recycling is far less than the cost of trash collection and landfill fees. And the National Recycling Coalition states that New York City leaders realized that they could save the city $20 million with a new recycling system, and they have now signed a 20-year recycling contract. You should now be aware of all the benefits that come along with recycling. I'm now going to tell you how you can make a difference. NRDC.org, which is the Natural Resources Defense Council, stated in 2008 that the U.S. recycled 32.5% of its waste, compared to 5% in 1970. We can help this number grow by making simple changes. You can shop smart, buy paper and other products that are made from recycled materials. Don't make recycling difficult. Put bins in convenient places around your house. Donate your old clothing to shelters and thrift stores, and use take-back programs to drop off your unwanted electronics. You can now see that you can recycle in many ways by making a few simple changes in your home. Recycling can have many benefits for the environment, your pockets, and everyone around the world. So start making a change and recycle. Take advantage of some of the recycling programs offered in your community and share the information you learned today with someone else so that they can make a difference. Today we discussed the basics on recycling, what you should recycle, and what you can do to recycle. There is an app called iRecycle that provides you with recycling locations, and earth911.com provides you with information on any product that you can think of recycling and how to dispose of it properly. I have a handout with me today that has pictures of what you can and cannot recycle and how to prepare your recyclables. I hope that you will take what you learned today and implement the changes into your home so you can live an eco-friendly life.